Welcome, in front of me is a MEIZU M8C, and today I'll show you how to access the recovery mode on this device. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and then select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we'll then hold power key and volume up. So power, volume up, both of these keys at the same time. And when you see the MEIZU logo, you can let go. And we're now in the recovery mode. It's a fairly limited one. You only have option to update as long as you have some kind of SD card and file on it to update it from. And you also have option to wipe data. Now whichever one you choose, you just kind of tap on it to select it and deselect the other one. Or you can also select both of them as long as, like I said, you have the file for it. And all you do is then press start. Now I'm not going to go through the reset and update because neither I have the file to update it, nor do I want to actually go through the reset of the device. And if you don't want to do any of these and you want to just leave this mode, all you need to do is press cancel and the device will reboot. And as you can see, we're now in the Android. So that is how you access and also leave the recovery mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.